Aurora Police are getting popped with yet another lawsuit. The ACLU says APD has a pattern of racially biased policing. Now, Aurora Police, they aren't saying anything. They say they can't talk because of the lawsuit. But there is body camera video of the incident in question. Our Anusha Roy walks us through what we know.
The ACLU released this body cam video in Aurora.
So we got some complaints that you're being noisy.
From exactly 2 years ago today.
You guys mind stepping out here for me so I'm not talking to you beside the truck?
2 men came out right away, but a third.
What's the issue that he doesn't want to come out here right now?
Jaime Alberto Torres Soto.
His wife speaks English.
Stayed behind.
Senor. Yes. Venga aquí.
In the police report, the officer said despite multiple commands,
Venga aquí.
Soto still wasn't following all their directions, even as they were trying to take him into custody.
Come here or you're going to jail.
At one point, one of the officers said he almost lost his balance, and then said Soto was slammed to the ground.
A man was bloodied, bruised.
The ACLU barely escaped the 2-year statute of limitations and filed a lawsuit in federal court yesterday to sue the city of Aurora and the 3 officers there that night. The questions in the middle of the chaos
They're from Mexican?
get to the heart of why the ACLU stepped in.
This is not racist.
And all of its residents deserve to feel safe and secure when dealing with the police.
The lawsuit says Soto was never found guilty of resisting arrest or disorderly conduct, but was found guilty for the noise complaint.
What the law allows is compensation, compensation for his injuries.
Aurora Police acknowledged the lawsuit, but said they can't comment since it's still active, leaving them to a statement where they talked about how their officers are held to a high standard of conduct and how accountability and transparency is important to them.
So in that lawsuit, it says that there have been multiple times that the city of Aurora has had to settle after police were accused of mistreating people of color. Just in our own reporting earlier this year, the city did settle with 2 African-American men, paying them $75,000. They also said the Aurora Police mistreated them. And even after that settlement, though, Aurora Police said that an internal investigation found that their officers had acted appropriately. Kyle?
So those settlements come after this incident in 2016, and we're just hearing about now, Anusha.
Yeah, exactly. So in this specific case, they beat out the 2-year statutory limit by 1 day. They got that federal lawsuit in yesterday. And honestly, Kyle, I asked the lawyer about it, and they said sometimes lawyers just fall behind on their paperwork.
Interesting. Under the wire. All right, Anusha Roy, thank you.
Subscribe to the Next YouTube channel for the best of Next and some other stuff.